Hello everyone. Today we are going to see different variations of songs and song making. How to make a song. So first we'll see the what are the variations of songs are available. So the first one is duet song, romantic song, wedding song, party song, folk song, sentimental song, sad song, classical song, performance oriented song and storytelling song. So these are the various types of songs. Now we'll see how to make a song. We'll take each and every category and then we'll see in detail. Coming to the song making, duet song. Duet song means what is a duet song? We need to enhance the chemistry between actor and actress. So, and what are required for this duet song? We need a stylish dance and trendy costumes, and we need to enhance chemistry between the casting. Casting means actor and actress, and with a beautiful background. With all these factors, we need to take care when we are making a duet song. So, this is about the duet song. And coming to the next category, romantic song. For romantic song, what are required? We need to enhance some romantic scenes between actor and actress, and with a beautiful background. And we need to enhance the beauty of the cast and beauty of the nature. And if our film is if it requires any other things to add, we can add on to that song. It is as per the film requirement, but normally these are required to make a romantic song. So romantic scenes with a beautiful background, and we need to enhance the beauty of the cast and the beauty of the nature. That's it. And coming to the wedding song, and we need to enhance the beauty of our tradition and culture, and we also need to enhance the emotions of the casting. Casting means whether it is a bridegroom and bride, apart from them, the family and friends and well wishers, and even what all the properties we need to use. All these things we need to take care of, and we need to enhance the beauty of our tradition and culture in the wedding song. And moving further, coming to the party song, here we need to enhance the reason for the party. What is the main reason for the party? Whether it is a birthday party or anniversary party or any other success related party. What exactly is the reason? We need to enhance. Audience should know what exactly is the reason for that party. And we also need to take care of the costume. It should be costume should be bright, and party wear clothing we need to take care. So why? Because it's not a normal scene, right? It's a party scene. So the clothing should look very bright, and party wear we need to take care. And the next thing is we need to enhance the happiness of friends and family. In the party, everyone will be happy, right? So we need to enhance that. And also we need to display if there are any enemies, for them their emotions, like their jealousy, their grudge and their sadness also we need to enhance in the party song. And coming to the dance is the filmmaker intention. If he want, he can have it. If not, it is optional, but ideally these are enough for when we are making a party song. Moving further, coming to the folk song means here we need to have a mass dance, mass fight, and mass scenes. These are very much required for a folk song. And moving further, coming to this sentimental song. Sentimental song means emotions, love and affection, etc. All these emotions we need to enhance in the casting, whether it is actor and actress and side actors, etc. Why? Because it is a sentimental song, right? So we need to enhance their feelings, their emotions with some emotional scenes. And coming to the sad songs, here we need to display the feelings of the cast. What are their feelings, how they are feeling, and why they are feeling sad. What is the main reason for their sadness? And we need to take care of their costume as well. Why? Because in a sad song, we can't take a bright clothing, right? Bright clothing and party wear clothing we can't have. We need to take care of a costume also. So plan for dull costume and display the feelings of the casting and enhance the main reason for their sadness. So this is about a sad song. Moving further, coming to the classical song. Here, classical song means there can't be any only singing clips. Why? Because it's a classical, right? More we need to enhance their singing clips, the way they are singing. Why? Because it's a tough song, and we need to display some musical instruments, and the atmosphere will also be should also be calm and composed. Why? Because it's a classical song, so this is a little tough compared to the other types of songs. So take care of these things. Some singing clips and musical instruments and calm and composed atmosphere. These are the main factors we need to take care of while we are making a classical song. Moving further, performance oriented songs. Performance oriented means if someone is performing in a stage, whether it is a dance or singing, any performance, then here we need to take care of some stage performance and audience, their expressions and audience reactions while the main actor is singing or dancing. What are the audience reactions and how the actor is actually dancing or singing, their feelings, their expressions, everything we need to take care of in a performance oriented songs. Moving further, story or background telling songs. In a film, if you want to tell about some actors' past or their background or some heroines' past, etc., then we need some scenes of their background. That means their lifestyle, their happy and sad moments, their career, their birth, and the way they lead their life, etc. This is also as per film requirements. What exactly filmmaker want to show. So these we can capture in a story or background telling songs. In a single song, in a 5 minute song, we need to tell the audience all these things. Their birth, their lifestyle, their happy and sad moments, their career, etc. All this we need to take care of. So these are the variations, various types of songs and how to make a song. So this is what for today. In the next class, we'll come up with a new topic. Thank you for joining. Take care. Bye.